How to activate your Capital One debit card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step process of how you can activate your Capital One debit card. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web browser and at the top search bar, simply type in Activate Capital One debit card. As you do so, you will see the first search result of Capital One that says how to activate new debit card. Tap open that link. From here, you can see the step-by-step process. So first of all, you have to sign into your account. And once you have done that, just choose the account to link to your debit card. Step third is simply look for a button to activate your card near the debit card tracker. Once you found it, tap on Activate My Card and follow the steps shown. You may be asked to set a PIN to complete the activation process. Simply type in your PIN and your expiration date. Once done, verify your PIN and just slide into Activate. Once you have done that, you will get a notification that your card has been activated. And this is how you can do it. And in case you would like to activate your card through phone, then call this number and you will be able to do so. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.